it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this really exceptional 1973 Mgb Roadster. Black tan interior, black carpets, black weather equipment, alloys, 5-speed gearbox. It's got one of those expensive transmissions fitted. Weber headers, alloy steering wheel. So really lovely, high spec, exceptional restoration here. We purchased this car recently from a gentleman in Florida. He just did everything right, put his heart and soul into this, and now as he's getting older, he just realized he's not going to drive this car as much as he thought he would. So, but really exceptional black paintwork all the way around. Really nothing, nothing going on paint wise, just pretty lovely. All new chrome, new windshield, new rubber, new headlamps, excellent set of brand new VTO alloys with aggressive tires fitted. Just a beautifully restored car. Modern radio, wood steering wheel, dress up wood kit for the interior, but lovely biscuity tan trim here. The car comes with a host of spares and extras in the trunk. Lots of restoration bits and pieces, but tons of spares for the car. The car also has a dress-up trunk kit that's carpeted. Now right here, we've got a super thick folder of all the receipts that this guy spent on the car. So amazingly, wonderfully restored Mgb in black tan. So just a knockout of a restoration on this exceptional chrome bumpered Mgb. I don't think we've had a car in here with paintwork this good. So yeah, let me just walk you around the car panel by panel. We'll have a really close look at paint, chrome, rubber. This car was professionally painted, color sanded, buffed, glossed, polished. Really exceptional high quality paintwork. All the windshield and windshield surround was all renewed. New mirrors, new rubber, new wheel and tire set, all new lenses, new chrome bumpers, badges, everything completely properly done. So tremendous condition here. Really lovely thing. So let's take a look at this car's interior. It has a brand new black top. It has the original black top boot in perfect shape. So this is fitted with an OEM style brand new Moss Motors interior kit with matching seat kits, black carpets, floor mats, Modalita style wood alloy steering wheel. This car is wearing a dash cap. Lovely dark wood dress-up kit for the interior with matching shift knob. Modern radio, which has Bluetooth connection there. You can see how just beautiful all the instruments are set in this this upgraded wood interior dress-up kit. All new door seals. And like I said, it's got that carpet dress-up kit in the trunk. And in here, lots of restoration spares left over from the car and all the receipts. So everything was done on this car pretty much. There's a tonneau cover there included. Let's take a look at the engine compartment. So here's the engine compartment on our black tan Mgb here. Really nice condition, very clean, sanitary. Original badges and stickers here. This car's fitted with a downdraft high-performance Weber with a header and a straight-through exhaust. That's what gives this car some extra oomph, some really good power. Nicely restored all in here with a new insulation kit. Brakes are new. It's had a big massive tune-up, and radiator looks brand new. But yeah, excellent running, driving car. I just took it out for a drive, which you can see preceding this walk-around video. And yeah, really great driving car. That fifth gear is a really nice, tall, pulling overdrive gear for freeway use. That's about a $4,000 transmission fitted. Super good, solid car all the way around. But yeah, very high specification Mgb Roadster here. 1973 Mgb, black with tan interior, 5-speed, alloy wheels, wood alloy steering wheel, interior dress-up kit, modern radio, black top, tonneau top boot. Have a look at the still photos for the condition of that brand new black soft top. Excellent running, driving car. Huge expense to restore this Mgb to this top tier, excellent condition. Really rare colors, very striking, black on tan, alloy wheel, 5-speed Mgb with some performance extras. It's for sale right now on our website. This one's going to go pretty quickly. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.